printing is part of your daily routine and you're tired of constantly replacing ink cartridges, then this is where things start to get interesting. The Epson EcoTank ET-4950 wireless all-in-one color super tank printer takes a completely different approach compared to traditional printers, focusing on long-term efficiency rather than short-term convenience. The biggest shift here is the ink system. Instead of using small cartridges that run out quickly, this printer uses large refillable ink. Tanks. That means you're getting significantly more prints before needing a refill. For anyone handling schoolwork, office tasks, or frequent document printing, this translates to less interruption and much lower ongoing costs. Looking at the design, it keeps things clean and practical. It's compact enough to fit comfortably on a desk without taking up too much space, making it ideal for home setups. The 2.4-inch color touchscreen on the front adds a modern touch, and more importantly, it works smoothly. Navigating through menus, setting up tasks, or adjusting settings feels quick and intuitive. Performance is consistent across the board. This is an all-in-one machine, so it handles printing, scanning, copying, and even faxing when needed. Print speeds reach up to 18 pages per minute for black and white, which is fast enough for most everyday tasks. Whether it's assignments, reports, or general paperwork, it keeps up without slowing you down. Print quality is another strong point. Text prints come out sharp and well-defined, which is essential for professional-looking documents. Color output is vibrant and detailed, making it suitable for presentations, charts, and even occasional photo printing. It's not just about speed here, it's about delivering reliable results every time. The refillable ink system is designed to be user-friendly. Refilling the tanks is straightforward, and the bottle design helps prevent spills or mistakes. Compared to traditional cartridge systems, this approach is not only more cost-effective but also more environmentally friendly, since it reduces plastic waste. Wireless connectivity makes a big difference in daily use. You can print directly from smartphones, tablets, or laptops without needing cables. With Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi direct support, sending documents to print is quick and hassle-free. This is especially useful in a modern setup where multiple devices are being used at the same time. An automatic document feeder is included, which simplifies scanning or copying multi-page documents. Instead of placing each sheet manually, you can load several pages at once and let the printer handle the rest. It's a small addition, but it significantly improves productivity. Paper handling is solid and dependable. The tray holds a good amount of paper for regular use, so you won't find yourself constantly refilling it. It's built to run quietly and efficiently in the background, which is exactly what you want from a reliable printer. This printer is best suited for users who print regularly. Students, home office users, and small business owners will benefit the most from its cost-saving design and consistent performance. If printing is occasional, it might feel like more than you need, but for frequent use, it quickly proves its value. There are a couple of things to consider. The upfront cost is higher than standard printers, but that's because it includes a large amount of ink from the start. Over time, the savings on ink replacements balance things out. Also, while the speed is solid, it's not aimed at heavy-duty commercial printing. Overall, this is a smart, practical upgrade for anyone looking to reduce printing costs while improving convenience. It focuses on what actually matters: reliability, efficiency, and long-term value. If you want a printer that works consistently without constant maintenance or extra expenses, this is definitely worth exploring. You can check the link in the description for more details and current pricing.